Set piece opportunity for Stellenbosch. Floated in from Basadin. Onyango goes up, beaten in the air by Igadaro. Titus, he puts it in along the ground for Cupido. Nduli, and Yongo got in his way. Butsaka, goal! Number 3. Did that take a wicked deflection?
That deflection from Phillies as well, that Velimuta couldn't do anything with the ball with that power. The total dominance again continues with Stellenbosch, finding their feet in the second half, scoring 2 goals within the space of 5 to 6 minutes.
Butsaka gets his first league goal of the season. He's second in all competitions. Blank faces for Zungu and Afori. Back in from Titus here. On target by Butsaka, but deflected in of Tariq Feliz. That will be a Butsaka goal. Even though it's a wicked deflection from Feliz, the shot was on target, so it must go down for Butsaka.